Be yourself. So many times, even I got this feedback when I started speaking and I used to go and speak, and even in competitive speaking, you go on the stage, you speak, and you get a feedback. Be yourself. Be yourself. Now, let me ask this. It's a very simple concept. Let me ask this, Praveen. Yes, we have heard this. That's the fact. Or no, no, Praveen. I've never heard this. That's a myth. Myth or fact? 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 And we will wait for only 15 seconds. And let me end the poll. Let me share the results. 77% people said Praveen facts. 23% people said Praveen. No, it's a myth. Okay, let me stop. 77% people. What do you mean by be yourself? So in case if you're an introvert person, very introvert, you don't like to speak. That's you, right? Imagine for a moment. That's you. You don't like to speak only. You hesitate to share, right? You are that kind of person who loves to keep your mouth shut. That's you. That's your nature. So be yourself. Go on the stage, be yourself. Understand one simple thing, ladies and gentlemen. When you speak in public speaking, I'm not talking about one-to-one conversation. One-to-one conversation is a completely different skill. I'm talking about public speaking. Public speaking is a task. You organize your content and then you deliver that content in front of people in such a way so people understand. That's a task. Now, whether you are a shy person, introvert, extrovert, you have to perform the task. Imagine playing cricket is a task. Now, whether Sachin Tendulkar is a shy person or maybe what kind of, doesn't matter what kind of person that he just performing the task, what he or she has learned. So this concept of be yourself on the stage, I've never understood. Earlier, I also bought that concept. Be yourself. But what do you mean by be yourself? You're just implementing one skill which you have learned. When you're doing a one-to-one conversation, I can really understand. In one-to-one conversation, because you're speaking one-to-one, because the person sometimes, or most of the times when you're speaking with a known audience, with your loved ones, with your colleagues, they know what kind of person you are. You're a man with very few words, or you are very verbose, you're suffering with verbal diarrhea. That time I can understand be yourself because even the other person will adjust with you. But moment you go on the stage, it should not be you don't have to be like yourself. You have to be for the audience, and for the audience you have to be a person who has learned the techniques and methods of speaking so people can understand. So I don't agree to this. That's according to me, it's a myth. You should not be yourself when you're on the stage. That doesn't mean that you should have fake accent or you should be a different person on the stage. What I'm saying is that your personal nature and your ability to speak in front of people, these are completely two different things. For example, take Muhammad Khatani. He's a world champion of public speaking. He said, I'm a very shy person. I go to a party, I will take a corner, I will never speak to people. And he used to stutter because of nervousness. He's a world champion of public speaking. He come on the stage, he's just implementing the skill what he has learned. So according to me, it's a myth. Be yourself.